Alright, we are inside the aviary where we can feed the birds. It's a cute little bird and Austria is going to feed it. Isn't it cute? Yes, yes, it is cute. But now we need to follow the star of this. His name is Gilbert. He's going to feed a cute little yellow bird. And he is being denied. Wait. Ah! God! He gets attacked. He's so popular. Well, you know, I will feed this cute little one right here. Oh, yes, isn't it delicious? Oh, and look, his little friend came to join him. They're going to nom nommy. Oh, and look, he finally... I got two! Oh, hi! America is feeding some birds. And it looks like Miss Ukraine is feeding some birds. And it looks like there's a fight about to start over my birds. Oh, yep, what I tell you. Well, hello there.
Oh, 3 birds. I got 3 birds. I'm a poop.
Russia's not going to come in here with their birds. It's probably a good thing, though. Nom nom. You got 3? All right.
I got 4.
Oh, look at these, man. He got 4 birds. He got pimping. Prussia is pimping with the birds.
I'm pro.
This little parakeet's like, well, where's my food, bitch? So he gets his food now. Nom nom and food.
Oh God! No!
Alright, here we go.
This is hard to pimp out.
Here. Oh my goodness, it looks like Austria is like getting attacked. Up on his feet.
What?
It looks like Austria is very popular with the birds. He's got 4 over here. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm awesome.
Yeah, more awesome than Prussia, who's like getting attacked by birds. Oh, hello there. Oh my goodness, they're like excited. So very excited.
I got to pet one. Yeah, buddy.
I cannot pet because my hands are full. Miss Ukraine, you are very popular with the birdies.
You are too.
We all are over here. We're pimping over here. That's such a beautiful parakeet, I must say. Oh my goodness.
It's blue.
It's like the birds in here.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I had to scream like a little girl.
I got a cute little yellow one.
You have a Gilbert.
I kind of like that white one.
Who wants to ride on my stick? You want to ride on my stick? You can get stuff better.
Oh my God, it's just chilling. Hey, little guy.
I'm going to take it away. If you want to come, you got to hop on. You better hop on. Okay. Oh, hello there. Ukraine is petting a little birdie. I kind of want to do the same. Geez, you're like following me, little friend. Oh, you cannot take this stick with you. I'm sorry. If you want it, you have to follow. How's it going over here? Oh my.
I had Gilbert earlier.
I missed the Gilbert. Dude. That's awesome. The bird really liked Gilbert. Where'd that get yellow? Oh, hello there. Oh, you're a pretty blue one. I like blue. Are you hungry? Yeah, you're hungry. You want to be my friend? Oh! Do you want to be my friend, little one? There was a cute yellow one. The cute yellow one, there it is. I'm following Germany now. Oh my goodness, this one is so pretty. You'll probably never get fed. You're not hungry though. Hello, little birdie. Alright, well, if you can let him eat it, he won't eat it. You should hop on my stick. You should hop on my stick, little one. That was my head. Germany is popular with the birds. Gilbert, look! I found a yellow one.
No.
He's a shy little one. Gilbert has found his Gilbert.
Hey, oh! Screw you! I have Gilbert.
You know, how come the birds won't ride on my stick?
I don't know. You have to press it under their chest and they'll kind of get on.
Yeah. Where are their pretty birds? There is a beautiful blue one. How come he? Oh, he don't want to ride on my stick. I finally have a little friend. Guys. I have a little friend. And he's gone. They must be brothers.
Go see. And now they're done.
I got whatever, now we eat.
Now we feast. After the battle is done.
There's my 2 birds.
I'm happy with my white one.
What are you going to name him?
I'm going to name him... No. I don't know.
What do you name your little friend?
I don't know yet.
Vice.
Oh, I don't know what that bird over there is having me do.
Oh, Vice! Come back, Vice!
He's a traitor. No, traitor.
Bye. Okay, this thing has gone on long enough. It's been like 7 minutes now. But I hope you all enjoyed our trip to the aviary. It's so cute, right? Gilbert, you better say goodbye. Bye. Gilbert doesn't love me anymore.